Welcome to Specialist Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Just in from the last lady owner, this beautiful Land Rover Freelander 2 TD4 GS, facing this gorgeous Orkney grey metallic. Really is a very nice clean example, very well cherished. 2 owners from new with full service history. The car's beautiful all the way around. 2.2 diesel engine, 150 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive, 6-speed manual gearbox. It's got the optional body mouldings from the factory and the rear privacy glass, again factory fitted. These really are a great workhorse. Rear parking sensors. The rear bumper not damaged in any way, nice loading area there. Lovely and clean inside, not been abused in any way. Split folding rear seats. Got the rear luggage protector. And a full-size alloy wheel with a matching Goodyear Wrangler tyre, brand new. Beautiful all the way down the sides, there's no damage, there's no marks. Not been abused in any way. Plenty of tread on the rear tyres. Again, all the wheels, no damage, no scuffs, no marks. All down the sides, no nasty dings, scratches or scuffs anywhere. Again, the front tyres, plenty of tread on those. All across the front, the bumpers, the bonnet, there's no nasty stone chips or scratchings, considering it's a 2013 63 plate car. Very nice all the way around. Very nice indeed. All the door trims in great condition, plenty of logo in there. Full black leather, all in great condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in there. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. Multifunction leather steering wheel, cruise control. And just look at those seats, great condition. USB aux input. Again, all the seats, all the trims, all in fabulous condition, no damage to the dashboards and trims.
DAB radio, stereo CD, mileage of just 92386, and what a fabulous condition the car is. Full service history. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, 6-speed manual gearbox, various drive modes, gravel, mud, sand, just to make sure you don't get stuck. Folding mirrors, we do the videos to show you exactly how nice our cars are. We have nothing to hide, and not many dealers go to this detail to show you how beautiful all our cars are. There might be used cars, but we make sure they're of the highest quality. So there we have it, our fabulous Freelander 2. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 off our website and click and collect, or we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full details on how that works. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Further details 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.